Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all would be fine. I am also fine. Once again, I have brought some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas for you. Look at this. How lovely they are. All ideas are new and unique. Look at this. I always try to bring some new and innovative ideas for you. You can take the screenshot of the picture that you like most, or you can save the video as well. All ideas are modern and unique. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family members. And if you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel yet, then subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. Look at this. All ideas are new and unique. From which country you are watching my channel, let me know in the comment section. Let me know your good name so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. See you again in the next video with more wonderful ideas. Till then, bye bye.